uh, enough of blueprints. Let's just relax a little bit and try to make things a little bit more pretty, just so that I can show you how you can create like a simple level or something like that. Okay, first off, let's start decorating this blueprint. If we open it, and you can actually use the Control E to open this. Okay, we can go here to the static mesh, and here you can put some materials. Okay, let's go here, double click on this, and you will be able to see the static mesh here. Let's add some materials. In order to do that, we're going to add the starter content. So we can go here, like go to add, and then go here to add feature or content pack. And then we're gonna go to content, starter content, add to project. And just like this, we have added new content. Okay, so what we can do here is look for the materials, which is basically is like a paint we will apply to the model we have here. For example, we're looking for some wood like this. So we just select this wood and then go here to our mesh and then just click here. And just by doing that, now we have our wood planks here, which is nicer, right? Now let's try to look for something like metal. Like for example, we can try to enter that metal steel, and then we can open our blueprint and basically open the spikes static mesh, and let's just click on this one. And let's see how it looks like. That's great. This is what we want. Okay, so now that we have this, now our traps look better. Much better, right? I'm sure you can agree with me. Awesome. Before wrapping things up, I want to show you how you can create a simple level just by using the modeling tools, just so that you can just play with the tools and everything, so you can have like a little game.